Hello everyone, welcome to my class. Today in this video I am going to discuss about the representation of a set. That means what? How can you represent a particular set attack? Ami kenake represent koribo paru. Generally here we discussed only two methods. Ami duta method ami use korim eta set represent koribo karone. First one is what? Row star method, or this one also known as what? Listing method, or what? Tabular method. And another is what? Set builder method or rule method. Now initially I am going to discuss about this one, row star method. In row star method, a set is described by listing elements and separated by commas, and all the elements enclosed by the curly bracket, this one. Okay, here the two things are so important. One is what? All the elements separated by what? Comma. All the elements separated by what? Comma. And the enclosed by what? Curly bracket. That means all the elements enclosed by the curly bracket, this one. Okay. Tamane eta bostu important. Prothom kotha to hoise tar element bila ki hobo taibo? Kone separate koribo? Separated by comma. Comma separated koribo lagibo. Next ki hobo lagibo tomar? Hey, element bila kar majot thakibo lagibo this curly bracket. Eto bracket use koribo lagibo ako. Not this one. Eto use korile nohobo. This one also. Okay. Egulak bracket use korile nohobo ako. Just you have to use this bracket. Okay. Now here 2 points are so important for row star method. One is what? Order of elements does not matter. There is jikono order likhibo para. Say set of natural number less than 3. Tumi 1 to kobo para ba 2 1 kobo para. Any order you can follow. Okay. Next, an element is not generally repeated. Yeah, generally the set of tumi represent kora hoy element bila keteo repeat nohoy. Eta element ami ebar he count korim. Okay. Jodi tumar set to ase 1 1 1 1 1. Tetela ami likhote only one element to he ami count korim. Okay. These 2 points are so important. One is what? Order of elements does not matter. This is the first point. And second one is what? An element is not generally repeated. Yet kiteo element bila ki nohoy tumar repeat nohoy. See, now if we consider an example is what? Set of letters of the word follow. Word to ki dia ase tumar follow will dia ase. Generally jeta tumi set represent kora, when you represent by a set, we use the capital letter of what? English alphabet. Say moi consider korisu English alphabet to moi A consider korisu. Moi curly bracket lolo. What are the elements of the word? Ki ase? Letters are what? F ase. Next one is what? O. Next one is what? L. Next one is what? W. The L to here tomar repeat hoise. 2 times ahise. Kintu ami setot jetia represent koriba tetiale kiman time use koriba? Only 1 time we use. Okay. Therefore A equal to what? F, O, L and W. Here F, O, L and W, these are the what? Elements of the given set. Yet here separate korise tomar it's comma and enclosed by the curly bracket, this one. Again, if we consider another example, set of natural number less than 5. 5 or ke jodi moi less natural number bilag use korisu, say moi A loisu. Ki ahibo pare tomar? First one is what? 1, next 2, 3, 4, not 5. Ki boli koise tomar? Less than 5. Therefore we consider 1, 2, 3 and 4. Again, this one also you can write like that. Enake likhibo para. What 2 likhilu? 1, 4, 3. You can write in this way also. Okay. That means the element is not generally what? Repeated. The first one not. Your next ki koi likho? Order of element does not matter. Tabane tomar jikono order likhibo para. 1, 2, 3, 4 je likhibo lagibo entu nohoy. Tumi 2, 1, 4, 3 likhibo para. 4, 3, 1, 2 likhibo para. Anyone you can follow. Okay. These 2 points are so important. Now I am going to discuss about the set builder method, the second method. Okay. In this method we write a property or rule which gives us all the elements of the set. That means ইয়াত এটা তোমাৰ property থাকিব or এটা তোমাৰ স্পেসিফিক কিবা আমি রুল এটা ইউজ কৰিম যাৰ থ্ৰুদি তাত থকা গোটেই এলিমেন্ট খিনি তাত কি হ'ব তোমাৰ ইনক্লুড হৈ থাকিব all the elements okay always include in the given set he set to তোমাৰ কি হৈ থাকিব তোমাৰ include say মই যদি এটা एग्जांपल লওঁ in the class 11 section A student খিনি section A বুলি কোৱাৰ লগে লগে মই কি গম পালো all the students which are in section A तर A বুলি section A কোৱাৰ লগে তাত থকা গোটেইখিনি এলিমেন্টে হি ৰিপ্ৰেজেন্ট কৰিছে set builder এটা মেইন বস্তু চাব লাগিব it must have a what property আৰু সেই property তুমি কি কৰিব লাগিব তোমাৰ এক্সপ্লেইন কৰি দেখাব লাগিব বা ডিফাইন কৰিব লাগিব what do you mean by this one যত মই ভেৰিয়েবল টু ইউজ কৰিছো সেই পাৰ্টিকুলাৰ ভেৰিয়েবল টু তুমি কি কৰিব লাগিব এক্সপ্লেইন কৰিব লাগিব অৰ ডেসক্ৰাইব কৰিব লাগিব সিম্পলি if we consider a to capital letter a to এটা set represent কৰিছে x that is the variable এটা ভেৰিয়েবল লৈছো and p of x that is the property এটো হৈছে মই property লৈছো a p of x ৰ প্লেছত মই তাক মেনশন কৰিব লাগিব যে হে property থ্ৰুদি তুমি গম পাবা যে this property থ্ৰুদি x ৰ কি তাত ভ্যালু হি ৰিপ্ৰেজেন্ট কৰি আছে where p of x is the property by which x is belongs to a हे x ৰ থকা এলিমেন্ট খিনি কোড আছে তোমাৰ set a আছে and colon this part is stand for such that a colon to this one is known as what such that ইয়াক আমি কি বুলি পঢ়া হয় this one read as what such that okay a particular property to থ্ৰুদি তুমি স্পেসিফিক ওলাই পৰিব লাগিব যে মই কোনখিনি এলিমেন্ট তাত ইনক্লুড হৈ আছে say if we consider this example set of natural number less than 5 set of natural number less than 5 এতিয়া যে capital letter মই ইউজ কৰিছো represented by the variable x x এ কি ৰিপ্ৰেজেন্ট কৰিছে set of natural number less than 5 how can you define হে x to তুমি কি কৰিব লাগিব ডিফাইন কৰিব লাগিব যে হি কি বুজাইছে তোমাৰ 5 ত কে লেস natural number বিলাক হি ডিফাইন কৰি আছে তা how can you define it initially we define x is belongs to n means what all the natural number next another condition also there আৰু এটা only natural number লিখিলে নহব ন কি বুলি কৈছে তোমাৰ less than 5 লব কৈছে that means another condition is what x is what less than 5 okay that is the property এইটো হৈছে তোমাৰ property okay property এনে তোমাৰ স্পেসিফিক তুমি মেনশন কৰিব লাগিব যাৰ থ্ৰুদি তুমি গম পাবা যে x ৰ প্লেছত কোন ভ্যালু আছে 1 2 3 and what 4 okay next if we consider another example set of integer between -3 and 5 একো যদি মই set b এ ৰিপ্ৰেজেন্ট কৰিছো that is the curly bracket represented by the variable x x এ কি ৰিপ্ৰেজেন্ট কৰিছে set of integer between what -3 and 5 that means x is belongs to z represent what set of integer তে কোনখিনি মই কনসিডাৰ কৰিছো set of integer which is lies between what -3 x less than 5 কাৰ মাজত লাইজ হৈ আছে তোমাৰ -3 and what 5 ৰ মাজত তাৰ মানে কোন বিলাক ভ্যালু ইউজ কৰিব লাগিব মই -2 -1 0 1 2 3 and what 4 this value ইয়া ডাইৰেক্টলি মই এটা ভেৰিয়েবল লম হে ভেৰিয়েবলতে গোটেই এলিমেন্ট ৰিপ্ৰেজেন্ট কৰিব হে ৰিপ্ৰেজেন্ট কৰা এলিমেন্ট খিনি তুমি ইয়াত কি কৰিব লাগিব প্ৰপাৰ্টি থ্ৰুদি তুমি বা ৰুলৰ থ্ৰুদি কি কৰিব লাগিব ডিফাইন কৰিব লাগিব that is the set builder method okay now here we consider some questions represent in roster or set builder form তাৰ মানে ইয়াৰ পৰা কি কৈছো মই কেটামান কোৱেশ্চন তোমাৰ কিহত দিয়া আছে roster formত দিয়া আছে আৰু কিছুমান কোৱেশ্চন কিহত দিয়া আছে set builder ইয়াৰ পৰা দেখা পাই গৈছে গম পাইছে যে কোন কিটা কোৱেশ্চন তোমাৰ set builder দি আছে which one a b and c which are given in what set builder form and d e f and g which are given in what roster form এটা যিকিটা set builder দিয়া আছে this one you have to express in what roster form otherwise which are given in roster form you have to express in what set builder form now the first one এই কোৱেশ্চনটো চাও প্ৰথম কোৱেশ্চনটো মই লৈছো first one okay first to তোমাৰ কিহত এক্সপ্ৰেছ কৰিব লাগে return given in what set builder roster মই এক্সপ্ৰেছ কৰো a is equal to কি আহি যাব roster হলে x such that x is belongs to z z means what set of integer those integer we consider which is what greater than -3 but less than 7 তেতিয়ালে কৰ পৰা আহিব definitely first element আহিব -2 next minus 1, next 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and what? 6. These are the elements. That is the answer of the question of first one. Okay. Now we consider second one, B. B to ki ahibo saba number 2. You have to express in roster form. X such that x is natural number less than 6. X is natural number what? Less than 6. Kor pora ahibo tetiale 1, 2, 3, 4 and what? 5. These are the elements. Okay. You can write 5, 4, 1, 2, 3. This one also. Here tomorrow order to kono matter no kore. Okay. Next third one, number 3. C is equal to what? X such that x is a prime number which is divisor of 60. Divisor of 60. 60 divisor kon ahibo pare maybe prime least ekebe minimum asle prime number kon ase tomar 2 ahibo. Next ki ahibo tomar 3 to tar divisor hoy 3 ahibo. Next kon ahibo tomar 5 aru nahibo se. Ki ahibo tomar 2, 3 and 5 which is the what? Prime number divisor of what? 60. Okay. That is the answer of what? Third one. Third answer by golo. Next, these 3 equations you have to express in which format? Set builder format. Okay. Number 4, D equal to what? 3, 6, 9, 12. All are multiple of what? 3. 3 as a 6 as a 9 and 12. That means we consider this variable x. Prothomote x likhibo lagibo. X is equal to moi ki likhi lolu moi 28 multiple of 3. N is belongs to moi ki likhi lolu moi natural number. Aru he n to konkhini value porise tomar soa 1 less than equal to n less than equal to what? 4. Hobone soason. X equal to 28, n is belongs to all the what? Natural number. 1 count korile 3 into 1, 3 first value ahile. 2 put korile 6, 3 put korile what? 9 and 4 put korile what? 12. That is the what? Representation in which format? Set builder form. Okay. Next we consider this one. Okay. Number 5. Here tomar E equal to what? Kilom saba ha 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. Multiple of 2 nisna hoise. 2 ase here 2 square, 2 cube, 2 to the power 4, 2 to the power 5 like that. That means we consider this variable x such that x equal to what? 2 to the power n, where n is belongs to all the natural number and lies between where 1 less than what? Is equal to n less than equal to maximum kiman ahibo tomar 5. Maximum kiman ahibo 5. 1 put kole 2 to the power 1 2 ahile. Next 2 square 4. The finally 2 to the power 5 means what? 32. These are the value. Okay. Next 6 one. F. Yet ki ase 5, 25, 125, 625. And multiple of 5 hoye ase 5, 5 square, 5 cube, 5 to the power 4. Yes or no? You can write in this way x such that x equal to 5 to the power n, where n is belongs to all the natural number. Kaunot thakibo natural number kini 1 less than equal to n less than is equal to 4. Isn't it? When you consider n equal to 4, then you have 5 to the power 4, 625. When you consider n equal to 1, then you have 5 to the power 1, 5. 2 put koile 5 square 25, 3 put koile 5 cube what? 125. Clear? Next finally last one, G. 2, 4, 6 up to where? Infinity. That means all the what? Even natural number. You can write in this way x such that x is equal to what? Twice n, where n is belongs to all the natural number. 1 put koile 2 ahile, 2 put koile 4, 3 put koile what? 6 in this way. Otherwise you can write in this way also x such that x is an even natural number তেনেকৈ লিখিব পাৰা মেইনলি ইয়াত প্ৰপাৰ্টিটো তোমাৰ প্ৰপাৰলি তোমাৰ কি হ'ব লাগিব তোমাৰ ডিফাইন কৰা হ'ব লাগিব in which format set builder form okay I hope you have understood the representation of set the two methods are there one is what roster method and another is what set builder method okay thank you